Caroline here. For next week's spread, I decided on some Christmas objects for every weekday. As usual, I used the Sakura Pigma Micron for the outlines. Here I had some issues with the circle maker. I think the circle maker needs to lay somewhat flat for it to work. I tried to make it work, but I failed. So I just made a circle as good as I could and just cleaned up my mistakes with a white gel pen. Then I went over all objects with a slightly thicker pen all around them. Next, I went ahead and wrote the weekdays with little black circles where day numbers go. Here I discovered that I numbered the previous week wrong. And that's not very unusual for me. I either get the numbers all wrong or have spelling errors, even though I spell it correctly with a pencil. But here I just fixed my mistakes and moved on to coloring the little objects in. I love the red shade for the stocking. And to have a variety in colors, I went for gold with the gift box. Painting in those objects was very easy and fast. I know the last two videos were very short. I started working and we are very busy ever since Black Friday and now with the Christmas season. I hope by next year I can dedicate more time to this channel and making videos again. Also, I would like to take a moment to thank everyone who liked, commented, and subscribed to my channel. My Archer and Olive review video and 2020 setup video reached over 10,000 views. I'm so thankful to all of you. And we are at the end of the video. If you liked it, click the thumbs up button and subscribe button. All the materials I used are in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!